We are now in Gaspé, in the Atlantic side of Quebec. Uh, see. Tomorrow we will walk around tomorrow morning, and we're gonna sit here, there, okay, to see the sunrise. And that's Sakura. We just arrived, so we will look for maybe a pizza for just a dinner. But anyway, there's a Tim Hortons, always reliable Tim Hortons.